Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add highlights on Instagram without posting it on story. So if you want to add highlights but you don't want your followers or your friends to see the updates, you can just follow the steps in here that I'm going to tell you. First, you can open the Instagram story camera by clicking on this plus icon, and then just choose the photo or the video that you want to add into the highlight. So I'm going to just take a shot of a random photo here. For example, this one, you can just capture or add a photo that you want, and after this you can just tap on your story and open the story again and wait for it until it's successfully uploaded. Okay, it's still posting now. Just wait until it's success. Now what you need to do is click on this three dots icon and go to archive. So now the story has been moved into archive stories and my followers won't see it. After that, you can just tap on your profile icon and tap on this hamburger icon at the top right corner. Then go to your archive, this one, and open the story that you've just deleted, this one. So you can just open it and just click on more sorry, click on highlight in here at the bottom, and here you need to choose if you want to get a new highlight or just add to the one that you've already created. Now it will be adding into the highlights that I created, so it's already been added, and that's pretty much it. So that sums up how you can add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. So this trick will be helpful for you if you maybe forgot to update something of your vacation, but then you remember it on the next day and you want to upload it, but you don't want your friends or followers to see it. You can just do this trick. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful for you, don't forget to click on the like or thumbs up icon. But if you still have questions regarding this, you can always leave a comment down below. So don't forget to subscribe and also click on the thanks button below to keep watching more Instagram tutorials and tricks. I'll see you all on the next videos. Bye.